Hey y'all, watch while I transform my laundry room from this to this. Hey everybody, thank you for watching my channel. Go ahead and subscribe and like my video, and if you like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But today it is time to finally get rid of this mess that I call a laundry room, and I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and get a few items and see how I can make all of this look like something nice. I jumped the gun a little bit. I started taking this light fixture down before I could show you guys what it looked like. But yes, this is the light fixture that was in the laundry room, and I'm going to upgrade it a little bit to one of these lights that are found throughout the rest of my house. This light is very common. You could get it for like $5 at the Habitat for Humanity store. Add a little bit of wall decor on this bare wall here. I got this sign from Dollar Tree, and around my house I already had a few bits of other wall decor that I'm going to take pieces of it, like these frames here, and just add it with the sign and keep it simple. I wanted to show you guys this right here. This was a tear in my wall from those Dollar Tree hooks. Those right there. Do not buy those. They will tear up your wall, as you can see. I could patch this up, but I don't have the paint for this wall, so I'm going to just put another hook over it to kind of disguise it a little bit. And I looked everywhere trying to find a matching hook to what I already have, but these hooks were like way overpriced. So I managed to get something similar. Well, I don't think anyone's really going to pay that much attention to it. Okay, confession time. My iron has been sitting on the floor in the corner of my room for many years. But now it's time that it has its own designated spot. So I bought this iron holder, and that is my ironing mat that I just recently made. I'm going to put a link to the video at the top in case you want to check that out. We reuse a lot of plastic bags in my house, so my IKEA plastic bag holder is starting to yellow and look a little nasty. So I'm going to cover it with some leftover fabric that I used to make my ironing mat and dress it up a little bit. I purchased 6 of these buckets from Dollar Tree, and I am going to put some labels on them, and I'm going to use these to sort and organize all of my laundry room junk. I don't know why I have this huge bag of tea light candles. I don't even use them all. You guys comment below and give me some ideas on what I could do with these, 'cause I don't know. Y'all see my collection of caulking? Isn't it crazy? I bought 2 of these wire baskets from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to zip tie them to the bottom of the shelving, and the idea is to put any small items that I use in here. So I'm going to put all of my garden seeds and my little bottles of essential oils. I have a lot of bottles of essential oils. This is how everything turned out. I thought it turned out nicely. I do have some items that couldn't fit into the bins, and I couldn't find a bin that was big enough for them. So I'm just going to leave them in their own place for now. But as I was doing this project, I started to think that it would be nice to put in some cabinets so I could close some items up. So I think that was probably a future plan that I have for this laundry room later on down the road. But for now, I like the way it looks. It's organized, it's neat, and it's presentable. And thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate the support, and please feel free to like and comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.